In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert or save media on the VLC Media Player application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Media tab up at the top left, and then you want to go down to where it says Convert/Save. Go ahead and select that, and then you can change the file selection by selecting the Add button. So select which file you want to convert. And then you can also remove them by selecting the remove option there. You can use a subtitle file as well if you want to locate that. And then once you're done, you would select the convert/save button down here. And once you've done that, you can convert that to a different file type. And then you would select start to begin. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.